New in CAMWorks 2016, the option has been provided to view and modify the default strategies from the technology database in one simple step without having to access the technology database. To access the default feature strategies dialog box, we can go to this icon on the CAMWorks 2016 Command Manager toolbar, or Tools, CAMWorks, Default Feature Strategies. In this box is a list of all the feature types available for the type of machine being used. In this case, I am using a mill turn machine, so the mill tab shows the mill features and the turn tab shows the turn features. This number in parentheses tells us how many of this feature type is defined in the current part. We can see on this part that there are 4 rectangular slots defined in the CAMWorks feature tree on the left. Managing strategies can be done both to the individual part or assembly file, or saved back to the technology database as the default for all parts and assemblies. On this part, I have 4 rectangular slots in multiple setups. If I want to change the strategy for all of these slots at the same time, I can come to the Default Feature Strategies box and change the default strategy for rectangular slot to Course. When I click Apply, it changes the strategy for all the rectangular slots in the CAMWorks feature tree. Keep in mind that this change will happen to all of the features of this type. If I want one of these rectangular slots to remain the same as the original strategy, I would have to edit it separately to define the feature strategy. If I want this course strategy to remain as the default in my technology database, then I would click on this checkbox and then on Save to TechDB button. Now if I open up another file and run automatic feature recognition, the default strategy for the rectangular pockets are now set to course. Thank you for watching this video on the new CAMWorks 2016 Default Feature Strategies window. Once again, this tool allows us to change default strategies on the fly, change the strategies of one or more feature types with one simple click. This also reduces the effort to change the strategy for features and tells us the number of features for each feature type that is being used.